First World War. And with that in mind, I'd like to use this Vaisakhi observance to share a story that is of some importance, I know, to Canadians of Sikh heritage, and a great story of service for all of us. I want to speak about Private Buckam Singh. Private Singh was born in India in 1907. At the age of 14, he came to Canada and became a farmer. Now, sadly, he faced discrimination in Canada, something not unusual for the times, although that makes it no less a matter for profound regret today. Nevertheless, despite all that, Buckam Singh still believed in Canada and the idea and the ideals of Canada. So it was that when the First World War came, with other Canadian Sikhs, he rallied to the cause. And as a member of the 20th Battalion of the Canadian Expeditionary Force, Private Singh joined his fellow Canadians in Flanders Fields. Now there he was wounded twice, and seriously so during the grim struggle at St. Eloi. He first went to the battlefield hospital run by soldier-poet John McCrae, and then later on to England. Ultimately, he returned to service, but in the process of all of this, Singh had contracted tuberculosis. Sent back to Canada, he died at an Ontario military hospital. And for many years, he was forgotten, as too often in those days were the fallen and their bereaved families. Yet the story of Private Singh still speaks to us. Dans l'esprit de bonne volonté qui caractérise la saison de Vaisakhi, il nous rappelle que les valeurs auxquelles aspirent les Canadiens et Canadiennes ont un attrait universel. Amid the goodwill of the Vaisakhi season, it reminds us that the values to which Canadians aspire are of universal appeal, crossing the boundaries of cultures, religions, and backgrounds, and bringing them together. I'm delighted to learn that in recent years, members of Canada